So here we are at 1E at the Acropolis. This is a Alcove Studio on the first floor. Here we have the alcove, hardwood floors, newly done, very, very good condition. And you have one window facing out to the street. Towards 35th Street. This is facing east. So you'll get wonderful morning light here. Let's check out the bathroom. So here we have the bathroom. Pretty simple, straightforward. Clean. Has a full tub. Stand-up shower with a full tub. Floor to ceiling subway tile. With a window to the outside. The entrance has a nice little coat rack there and bench for putting on your shoes, taking off your shoes, as well as some overhead storage, which is very handy. Let's take a look at the combined dining and cooking area. So it's an open layout kitchen. Nice dark hardwood cabinets with a faux marble countertop. Gas stove. Full-size refrigerator. And rosewood cabinetry above. Subway tile backsplash. And again, you have a window to the outside. This towards the courtyard at the Acropolis. Perfect place to put your breakfast table. Obviously, radiator heat. This is an air conditioner that will be installed in the window of your choice. And you have a second closet here, larger than the other.